Good morning, children. Welcome back to your GK class. So, please, everyone, open page number 17 in your GK book. So, today we will study about the different famous structures or the monuments in India. India, mein you can see here the pictures of few famous structures. Okay, so with the help of the given clues, we'll find out the names of these famous structures. Okay, and in the clue box, name of these structures are also given. So let's read quickly. Charminar, Howrah Bridge, Hawa Mahal, India Gate, Sun Temple, Raj Ghat. Okay, now children, let's start. This beautiful palace is in Jaipur. So this beautiful palace is in Jaipur. It is also known as the Palace of Winds. इसको कौन सा पैलेस बोला जाता है? पैलेस ऑफ विंड्स. विंड्स मीन्स हवा. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो यहाँ कितने सारे विंडोज है. सो मैनी विंडोज आर हेयर. सो दिस पैलेस इज नोन एज द हवा महल. This palace is known as the Hawa Mahal. So two things about this palace. This beautiful palace is in Jaipur. Second, it is also known as the Palace of Winds. Okay. Now see the next picture. So I think most of the children know about this. This famous monument is in Delhi. ये monument कहाँ पर है? It is in Delhi. It was built in memory of the martyred Indian soldiers. So martyred means जो शहीद, जो लड़ाई करते हुए जो जिनकी डेथ हो जाती है, so उनको बोलते हैं मार्टियर, शहीद. तो उनके लिए ये बनाया गया है, जो इंडियन सोल्जर्स, इंडिया के जो सोल्जर्स हैं. So this is called the India Gate. Now see the next one. This is a memorial of Gandhi ji in Delhi. So this is also in Delhi. India Gate is also in Delhi, and now this memorial of Gandhi ji is also in Delhi. Gandhi ji's last words are written on it, and Gandhi ji's last words जो थे वो इस पे लिखे गए हैं. उनके वर्ड से हे राम. ये देखो आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा होगा. ओके, इट्स विजिबल ना. हे राम, उनके लास्ट वर्ड्स यहाँ रखे थे और उनका मेमोरियल यहाँ पर, यानी उनकी डेथ के बाद उनका यहाँ पे मेमोरियल बनाया गया था. अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस मेमोरियल इज कॉल्ड राज घाट. नाउ moving towards the next one, fourth one. This temple is located in Odisha. ये temple कहाँ है? This temple is located in Odisha. It is dedicated to the sun god. Sun कौन होते हैं? Sun means सूर्य, जो सूरज होते हैं. तो sun god के लिए specially this temple is dedicated. ये उनके लिए बनाया गया है. It is dedicated to the sun god. So specially this temple is located in Odisha and it is dedicated to the sun god. It is called the Sun Temple. Sun Temple. Okay children, now let's move to the next picture. This famous structure is located in Hyderabad. This famous structure is located in Hyderabad. It means 4 towers. 4 towers आप देख सकते हो. 1, 2 इसके पीछे यहाँ पे, 3 and 4. तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं? What is the name of this tower? This is called Char Minar because 4 are there, so it's called the Char Minar. And this famous structure is in Hyderabad. So this famous structure is in Hyderabad and it is called the Char Minar. Now next is, this beautiful bridge is located in Kolkata. It is a landmark of Kolkata. This is a very famous bridge in Kolkata. It is called the Howrah Bridge. This bridge is called the हावड़ा ब्रिज. लैंडमार्क, लैंडमार्क यानी जिस नाम से उस जगह को जाना जाता है, लैंडमार्क. सो दिस इज़ द वेरी फेमस ब्रिज इन कोलकाता. This bridge is called the Howrah Bridge, and you can see here the Howrah Bridge is also known as Rabindra Setu. It means the other name of Howrah Bridge is known as Rabindra Setu, but here we'll write Howrah Bridge. Okay children, so in this way you have to do this page. Now children, turn the page and come to page number 18. So this is also about India, knowing about India. India के बारे में will know more about India on this page. So tick the correct option. So we have two options, so we'll tick the correct option. First is the currency of India is. What is the meaning of currency? Currency होता है जो वहाँ के money जो होता है, जो हम money हम use में लेते हैं. See this picture. सो उसको बोलते हैं करेंसी. तो हमारा जो मनी है वो क्या है, वो रुपी है या डॉलर है? यस, रुपी. सो विल टिक ऑन दिस. सो द करेंसी ऑफ इंडिया इज रुपी. नेक्स्ट, द लार्जेस्ट मॉस्क ऑफ इंडिया इज. मॉस्क, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मॉस्क? यस, मॉस्क मीन्स द प्लेस वेयर मुस्लिम्स प्रेयर, जहाँ पे मुस्लिम्स लोग प्रेयर करते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द मॉस्क. सो द लार्जेस्ट मॉस्क इज़ जामा मस्जिद और मक्का मस्जिद. सो आंसर इज़ जामा मस्जिद. जामा मस्जिद इज़ द लार्जेस्ट मॉस्क इन इंडिया. नेक्स्ट, अ पॉपुलर स्पाइसी स्नैक ऑफ इंडिया इज़. स्पाइसी, व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ स्पाइसी? थोड़ा मिर्ची वाला, चटपटा. And all of you love to eat that. What is that? Rasgulla or Golgappa? Yes, the answer is Golgappa, because Rasgulla is sweet dish. Okay, so Golgappa is a very popular spicy snack. A famous Indian classical dance is. Indian classical dance is Kathak or Ghumar. Two options we have. We have the answer Kathak. Classical dance is Kathak. November 14th is Teachers' Day or Children's Day. All of you know the answer. That is Children's Day. Gandhi ji is known as, again two options, Bapu or Netaji. So Gandhi ji is known as Bapu. Okay. Next, number 7th is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a novelist or the scientist. जो APJ अब्दुल कलाम थे वो novelist थे. Novelist means the person who write novels and all. या scientist, वो scientist थे क्या novelist थे? वो scientist थे. So you have to take in this. Zakir Hussain is a tabla player or the violin player. See the picture of Zakir Hussain. Zakir Hussain is tabla player. See, he is playing tabla na. In the Indian flag, the chakra has 30 spokes or 24 spokes. Yes, answer is 24 spokes. Diwali is the festival of lights or colors. Answer is lights. Bengali is spoken in Maharashtra or the West Bengal. What is the answer? Bengali. So West Bengal. Okay. So by doing this thing, we know more about India. So children, you have to do both the pages in book.